What does the term interest refer to in banking? A. The additional amount earned on a loan or deposit. B. The amount of money deposited into a bank account. C. The value of a currency in relation to other currencies. D. The fee charged for withdrawing money from an ATM. A. The additional amount earned on a loan or deposit. Bihu is a folk dance of which state? A. Bihar. B. Assam. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Assam. In which year did Lord Curzon announce the partition of Bengal during the British rule in India? A. 1904. B. 1906. C. 1905. D. 1907. C. 1905. Mein Kampf is the autobiography of which world personality? A. Adolf Hitler. B. Robert Mugabe. C. Albert Einstein. D. Charlie Chaplin. A. Adolf Hitler. What is the geographic location of the world's largest coral reef known as the Great Barrier Reef? A. Switzerland. B. Australia. C. China. D. Ireland. B. Australia. To which gharana did Gangubai Hangal primarily belong? A. Patiala. B. Agra. C. Banaras. D. Kirana. D. Kirana. Popular since ancient eras for the trading of livestock, which is a month-long event, takes place on the auspicious occasion of Kartik Purnima in the month of November near Harihar Nath Temple. A. Sonepur Mela. B. Rajgir Mela. C. Pushkar Mela. D. Ardhkumbh Mela. A. Sonepur Mela. How many states were selected in Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan GKRA 2020? A. 16 states. B. 6 states. C. 10 states. D. 8 states. B. 6 states. The celebrated folk artist Gulabo Sapera, recipient of Padma Shri Award in 2016, is an exponent of ___________ dance. A. Kalbelia. B. Tippani. C. Bhavai. D. Dandiya. A. Kalbelia. Which Indian musician was awarded the Grammy Award for his album Planet Drum? A. Zakir Hussain. B. Shivmani. C. Darshan Doshi. D. Trilok Gurtu. A. Zakir Hussain. Which of the following is not a part of the 6 communication mail channels in India? A. Metro Channel. B. Monthly Channel. C. Rajdhani Channel. D. Business Channel. B. Monthly Channel. Which of the following is an example of unaudited capital receipt in the government budget? A. Sale of government-owned land. B. Loans from international financial institutions. C. Interest payment on government bonds. D. Tax revenue collected from citizens. A. Sale of government-owned land. Visva Bharati, a famous educational institute, was founded in 1921 by A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Vinoba Bhave. C. Mother Teresa. D. Swami Chinmayananda. A. Rabindranath Tagore. How many women boxers from India won gold medals in the Women's World Boxing Championship 2023? A. 2. B. 3. C. 1. D. 4. D. 4. Famous Bollywood actress Hema Malini is a trained dancer. A. Kathak. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Odissi. D. Kuchipudi. B. Bharatanatyam. Whose prior recommendation is required to introduce money bills in state legislature? A. Speaker of the House. B. Chief Minister. C. Governor. D. Advocate General. C. Governor. R.K. Narayan is the author of A. The Guide. B. Far from the Madding Crowd. C. Godan. D. Untouchable. A. The Guide. Where is the Qutub Minar situated? A. Delhi. B. Agra. C. Lucknow. D. Chandigarh. A. Delhi. Which is the most obvious symptom of infantile jaundice that usually appears between the 2nd and 4th day after birth? A. Cracking and irritation at the corners of mouth. B. Swollen or puffy ankles. C. Yellowing of the skin and the whites of the eyes. D. Swelling and bleeding of the gums. C. Yellowing of the skin and the whites of the eyes. The units of linear momentum are measured in A. kg to ms. B. kg/ms2. C. k to g/ms. D. kg/ms. D. kg/ms. In which of the following cities the 2023 SAFF Championship was held? A. Mumbai. B. Bengaluru. C. Kochi. D. Ahmedabad. B. Bengaluru. Mirabai Chanu was selected as BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year 2022. She is related to which sport? A. Discus throw. B. Javelin throw. C. Boxing. D. Weightlifting. D. Weightlifting. Punjab state is rich in which natural resource from the following? A. Coal. B. Petroleum. C. Silicon. D. Fertile soil. D. Fertile soil. How many schedules are there in our constitution as of June 2023? A. 8. B. 9. C. 12. D. 10. C. 12.